Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about how to repair the thermostat in an air conditioner unit. The most common problem that I run into with the air conditioner thermostats is they get all gummed up with a bunch of dust and debris and aren't able to read the temperature right. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the front cover. After the front cover is removed, we're going to locate our thermostat. A lot of times it's just a wire that runs at the base of your air conditioner and into the middle of your coils. So we'll just go ahead and remove the wire only. We don't want to pull out the plug here because we don't want to damage anything in trying to put it back. After we have the thermostat out, we're going to take our paper towel and go along the entire length of the thermostat. A lot of these thermostats are just a copper tube that's about 3 or 4 inches long. You want to make sure that you clean that up thoroughly. You also want to make sure that there isn't any frayed wires from somebody taking off and on the cover to this. If there is, you can splice that in with a little bit of electrical tape and just wire them back together. But you want to make sure that the thermostat is nice and clean and it's not leaned up against the inside of the unit in any way. You want it hanging free through the holder here. That way the air can pass in front of it so it can correctly read the temperature for you. To make sure that your thermostat is working correctly, you can just take a regular fridge thermometer and hang it in front of the unit and see if it's turning off and on at your desired temperature. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.